जय जिनेन्द्र सब लोग। मैं हूँ समयसार जैन। वेल, जब तक ये वीडियो अपलोड होगा तब तक के लिए ऑलरेडी 15 अगस्त होंगे, जो जो कि कल है। सो दो I'm making this video today on the 14th of August, but then by the time this video will be uploaded, it will be the 15th of August, our Indian Independence Day. So all my dear Indian brothers and sisters, and to the entire India, okay, to the entire nation of our motherland India, wish you all a very very happy Independence Day 2024. And ever since we have got independence, yes, initially we had certain problems, but now India is becoming one of the biggest world's superpower. So things are going very well for India, and I'm very happy with how India is progressing every day. Well, so being the 14th of August, I decided to make this video today. you know this is in fact one of the biggest lies of Pakistan, okay? And I'll tell you what it is. See, Pakistan, first of all, see, they as you all know, I mean, when has Pakistan ever told the truth to all of us? पाकिस्तान ने कब सच बोला? वो हमेशा मतलब झूठ पे झूठ ही बोला है आज तक, जब से वो पैदा हुआ है। दरअसल क्या है, हम जो ये सोचते हैं कि 15 अगस्त एक्चुअली इंडिया और पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ था। हाँ, इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिला, लेकिन क्या पाकिस्तान को भी इंडिपेंडेंस मिला? ये सबसे बड़ा गलतफहमी है हम सब का। और पाकिस्तान में तो उनका जन्म ही हुआ पूरा झूठ के साथ, पूरा प्रोपेगेंडा के साथ। तो दरअसल क्या है, आप देखिए, 15 अगस्त से पहले, ओके, बिफोर 15th अगस्त, दोनों पाकिस्तान भी इंडिया का हिस्सा था। पाकिस्तान वॉज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, देयर वॉज नो पाकिस्तान एट ऑल। सो आफ्टर द ब्रिटिश लेफ्ट, or in other words, after the British were kicked out of India, then India got divided into, okay, that majority of the land became India, and Pakistan. So basically after the British left, Pakistan came into existence, because then Pakistan separated from India, and it became another separate country. So what I want to tell you is, all the Pakistanis all over the world, सारे जो पाकिस्तानियाँ हैं, वो लोग ये सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि उनका इंडिपेंडेंस डे है। और हाँ, एक और बात, पाकिस्तान को बहुत बार ये उनका पता नहीं क्या उनका नशा चढ़ जाता है। वो लोग बोलते हैं कि उनका इंडिपेंडेंस तो इंडिया से एक दिन पहले हो गया था, 14 अगस्त। So actually today Pakistanis will be celebrating their Independence Day. But let me tell you, actually the fact was both. See, India got independence on the 15th of August, and only after India got independence, then Pakistan was formed. So what I want to tell you is, actually Pakistan's Independence Day is not 14th August, it is also on the 15th itself. But due to certain generally Pakistanis, they have got this mentality that because they know they are not as powerful as India. They know that they can never ever be more superior to India. So just like how they have been making propagandas, Pakistan's first prime minister, whose name is I think Liaquat Ali Khan. Yeah, his name was Liaquat Ali Khan. So the first prime minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan, he decided to make the Independence Day of Pakistan on the 14th of August, just one day before India. And he took permission. He took permission from the person who established Pakistan, who was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, when Mr. Jinnah decided to create Pakistan, so after Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the first prime minister of Pakistan, he actually requested Muhammad Ali Jinnah to keep the Independence Day of Pakistan on the 14th of August. So, and of course, Muhammad Ali Jinnah agreed to it, and therefore Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day on the 14th of August. But that's not the case actually, because only after India got independence, Pakistan was formed. And by the way, okay, this was the minor issue. The main thing, the main biggest lie of Pakistan is that, see guys, before before 15th of August, to be very honest, there was no Pakistan at all. Okay, there was no Pakistan. It was only after the British left, India got, I mean, of course, majority of the land became India, and the remaining, I mean, today's, the part of Pakistan, it became Pakistan on the 15th of August, 1947. But before that, there was no Pakistan. So when there was no Pakistan at all, on what basis do the Pakistanis celebrate Pakistan Independence Day? Because in reality, there is no such thing as Pakistan Independence Day, because until 15th of August 1947, Pakistan was not even born. I mean today that Pakistan, that land, okay, today the land of Pakistan, it until the 15th of August 1947, it was part of India only. So the whole thing was India. There was no Pakistan at all. So only after the British left, Pakistan got separated from India. So the main fact of the matter is, it was only India which got independence, but Pakistan never became independent. Pakistan never got independence. Pakistan was born. So it's actually 15th August is the Independence Day of India, and 15th August is the birthday of Pakistan, but not the Independence Day of Pakistan. So so this entire thing of Pakistan Independence Day is completely a myth. It is completely, it is something which does not even exist. It is a complete lie, and this is the biggest lie of Pakistan. See, for India, India has existed since the time of Indus Valley civilization. I think, how much, maybe 9 to 10,000 years plus. Okay, so ये जो हमारा भारत है, our country India has existed for more than 10,000 years, and on the 15th of August 1947, India got independence from British, while Pakistan was born as a newborn country after being separated from India on the 15th of August 1947. So this entire thing of Pakistan Independence Day actually doesn't exist. So let's say all of you, all my dear Indian brothers and sisters, if you have any Pakistani friends, and let's say you want to wish them also Independence Day, don't wish them Independence Day. Just just you can mock them and say happy birthday Pakistan. It is not Pakistani Independence Day. It is actually the birthday of Pakistan. Because see, when Pakistan didn't even exist, from whom did they get independence from? Okay, see, because as long as the British was in India, the entire continent was India. I mean both India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all these were India. And only after the British left, then Pakistan was separated from India and it became a separate country. So basically Pakistan was born. तो 15 अगस्त पाकिस्तान का जन्मदिन है, पाकिस्तान का इंडिपेंडेंस डे नहीं है. तो ये जो पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, ये पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा झूठ है आज तक. तो मैं आप सबको यही कहूँगा कि इंडिया को तो इंडिपेंडेंस डे तो है ही, पाकिस्तान का जन्मदिन था, लेकिन मतलब वो पाकिस्तान का जन्म लिया, लेकिन आज तक उन्होंने क्या साबित किया? मतलब उनके लिए अगर हमको शायद ही उन्होंने कुछ अचीवमेंट्स किया है उनका ज़िंदगी में, तो इसके बारे में और कुछ बोलना कोई मतलब नहीं है. और हाँ, और उसके बाद 1971 में जब इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का तीसरा जंग हुआ, तब इंडिया ने पाकिस्तान को तोड़ दिया और ईस्ट पाकिस्तान को बांग्लादेश बना दिया. ये हमारा बहुत बड़ा विक्ट्री था. तो 1971 में बांग्लादेश का जन्म हुआ. 16 दिसंबर 1971 बांग्लादेश का जन्म हुआ. लेकिन 15 अगस्त पाकिस्तान का जन्म हुआ और सिर्फ इंडिया को आज़ादी मिला अंग्रेज़ों से. ओनली इंडिया गॉट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश. It was India who got independence from the British, whereas Pakistan was just born. So there is no such thing as Pakistan Independence Day. It is Pakistan's birthday. But Pakistan's birthday, I mean, ever since Pakistan has come to existence, what good has it done to the world? Apart from, it has done nothing good to the world. Because if you look at Pakistan's history, I mean, like, you hardly find anything good they have done for humanity. I mean, most of the time you see, I mean, all the most wanted criminals in the world, all the most wanted terrorists in the world, only for the criminals, for the terrorists, for the mafias, and for all the international gangsters and all the terror groups, only for them Pakistan is a safe haven. So Pakistan has been the safest country for terrorists and criminals and nothing else. So apart from spreading terrorism, spreading crimes all over the world, and and causing lot of religious violence, etc. Apart from all these things, there is maybe just one or two things where we can say Pakistan, I mean, I'm not even sure about this. Maybe there is just roughly one or two things which Pakistan might have done. Okay, something they have done for humanity, but apart from that, I mean, right? I mean, what good has Pakistan done to the world? So even to wish them happy birthday, like, it kind of still doesn't make sense. So even when you say, like, happy birthday to them, I mean, like, you can just like try to, like, वो आपका इंडिपेंडेंस डे नहीं था बेचारा, वो आपका जन्मदिन था बेटा, ऐसा आप बोल सकते हैं. And now all of you might be thinking, why am I asking you to mock Pakistan? See, now you might be thinking that why is it funny to mock a country like Pakistan? Of course, see, any country which does more bad than good, any country which supports terrorism, any country which supports religious violence, and any country which harbors and gives protection to most wanted criminals on this planet. Do you think that country deserves to be respected? Of course not. And I'm not saying just because Pakistan does not have good relation with India, but this is the fact. This has been their track record ever since they came into existence. So we are so lucky to be here in India. We are so lucky to be here, to be born in India, to be born, and many of you are, like, very lucky to be born and brought up here in India with Indian culture. And me, I'm so lucky to be born in India, though I was raised abroad. But I'm very proud that I'm born in India. I'm born in this secular state. I'm born in this state where all cultures, traditions, religions, everything is respected. So India being the most diverse country in the world. Now many of you might say that India is the largest democracy in the world. But let me tell you, not just the largest democracy. India is the largest democracy and the largest diverse country in the world. Okay, so there are two D words to describe India. One is democracy and the other one is diversity. Our main motto of India is what? Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. So since unity in diversity is the main motto of India, and ever since India has become independent, though initially we faced lot of struggles, lot of problems, lot of issues, but eventually we managed to improve ourselves, and very soon India is going to be the number one world superpower. In fact, India is already a world superpower, but very soon we are going to be the number one world superpower. okay, in all aspects, in economy, in military, okay, be it in economy, military, and software, and be it for be it regarding the film industry, every aspect, we India and we Indians are going to be the number one in the entire world. We are going to be on the top. We are going to be the most powerful nation in the world very soon. So wish all of you a very happy Independence Day, and on every Independence Day, I'm sure India will be more and more progressed as compared to the previous year. And so all of you, okay, many of you might be feeling that, okay, right now that there are certain issues in India. Yes, there are many issues in India, but very soon all of them will be resolved. All of them will be resolved, and soon, maximum, I think, in another 1.5 decade. Okay, 1.5 decade. So 1 decade is 10 years. So 1.5 means, you can say, around 14 to 15 years. Okay, so maximum by another 15 years, India will be a first world country. India is going to be a developed country. And once India becomes a developed country, I mean, like, the entire world will start looking up to India. Already most of the world are looking up to India, but very soon the entire world, they will truly look up to India as the real leader. And India is not going to be, India is such a pluralistic nation. We have India being the most diverse nation in the world, India being the most pluralistic nation in the world. We are not going to be bossy, like, that, let's say, I don't want to take any names of the other countries, but certain countries, like, we might say, okay, they are like kind of very bossy, always trying to order other countries and all that. So India is not going to be like that. India is not going to be a boss, but we are going to be a leader. India is going to be the leader of the entire world. And this is what we all have to be proud about. And this is why all of us, okay, no matter what difficult situations we are in today, but all of us, we have to be proud to be Indians. And please don't lose faith in your country. Don't lose hope in the good aspects of our country, because very soon India is going to be the leader of the entire world, and the entire world is going to look up to us with respect, honor, dignity, and what do you say? We are going to be honored by the entire world. So that's it, guys. So once again, take care. So I just wanted to make this video. So actually now I came to the temple, and I completed doing my evening Samaik. Actually, I came here to the Parle West Jain temple, and I completed doing my Samaik, which is my evening prayers. So after doing my Samaik, just before I went home, now I just decided to make this video, because tomorrow being the 15th of August, I mean, like, tomorrow I'll be like, going out, I'll be like celebrating my day basically. So I'm not sure if tomorrow I'll be making any videos, but I just thought of making this video now. So all of you, okay, wish all of you a very, very happy Independence Day 2024. And yes, as all of you remember, okay, all my dear Indian brothers and sisters, if ever you have any friends from Pakistan, let them know that the biggest lie of पाकिस्तान का जो सबसे बड़ा झूठ है वो ये है कि पाकिस्तान को कभी आज़ादी नहीं मिला. पाकिस्तान never got independence because Pakistan did not even exist before the 15th of August 1947. So on the 15th of August 1947, I'll tell you one last time, on the 15th of August 1947, India got independence from the British. But it was Pakistan which was born. Okay, India got independence, whereas Pakistan was born. It never got independence, it was born, because after the British left, or in other words, after the British were kicked out from India, then Pakistan got separated from India, and Pakistan was a newborn country. So Pakistan was born on the 15th of August. Therefore, this whole idea of Pakistan's Independence Day is the biggest lie of Pakistan, and there is no such thing as an Independence Day of Pakistan. Independence Day is only for India. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you very much. God bless all of you. God bless my country, India. God bless God bless our Indian armed forces. Our Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. I mean, every day, 24/7, because of you, we are able to live peacefully and sleep peacefully here at night in our country. So, my heartiest salute to all the Indian armed forces, okay, to all the Indian police, to all the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and to all the Indian special forces. My heartiest salute to all of you. Because of you, we are able to live here peacefully in our country. So that's it, guys. So now, I will just complete this video. I will just end this video over here. And after this, I need to go home, because I think now very soon the temple will also close. I think in another 10 to 15 minutes, the temple will close. So, I need to go back home. So that's it, guys. So all of you take care, stay in touch. Any questions you have, feel free to leave your questions down in the comment section. Okay, I will definitely read them, and I will reply to you as well. So that's it, guys. So God bless all of you. God bless India. And I will just end this video with the most powerful Mahamantras in the entire universe. Okay, and this most powerful Mahamantras of the entire universe is none other than our sacred Namokar Mahamantras. Okay, thank you, guys. Namo Arahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loye Savvasahunam, Eso Panchanamokaro Savapavappanasano Mangalanant Savvesim Padamam Havai Mangalam, Chattari Mangalam, Arahanta Mangalam, Siddha Mangalam, Sahu Mangalam, Kyolipannato Dhammo Mangalam, Chattari Loguttama, Arahanta Loguttama, Siddha Loguttama, Sahu Loguttama, Kyolipannato Dhammo Loguttamo, Chattari Sharanam Pavajjami, Arahante Sharanam Pavajjami, Siddhe Sharanam Pavajjami, Sahu Sharanam Pavajjami, Kyolipannatam Dhammam Sharanam Pavajjami. Ananta Darshana Swarupoham, Ananta Jnana Swarupoham, Ananta Shakti Swarupoham, Ananta Sukha Swarupoham, Sahajananda Swarupoham, Nityananda Swarupoham, Ragadvesha Rahitoham, Dravya Karma Rahitoham, Bhava Karma Rahitoham, No karma rahitoham, Shuddhoham, Buddhoham, Niranjanoham, Nirmaloham, Shashvatoham, Soham, Soham, Soham. Namo Rahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loye Savvasahunam. Eso Panchanamukaro Savapavappanasano Mangalanand Savvesim Padamam Havai Mangalam. Jai Jinendra and Jai Siddhatma.